Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Krishnatarian way of cooking. So today I'm going to share with all of you a very special biryani recipe. This recipe is actually of my mother's and she wanted to share with all of you this recipe. Like the previous biryani recipe which I have shared on this channel, this recipe also asks for a lot of flavors and spices, which comes with my mother's personal touch and style to it. I'm going to show in the display the ingredient list before starting the recipe video. That will be easy for you to note down everything. So without delaying, let's look at the ingredients. So first here we are going to take some cabbage leaves and the 2 jalapeno peppers and ginger. You can also take small chili peppers. Now here the rice has been taken and we have washed it multiple times in cold water just to remove the starch out. Nicely rinse the rice well. This is a basmati rice. Now fill the water. Just have to put double quantity of water than the rice. Keep the heat on medium and then add the bay leaves, the cloves, the black peppercorns, cinnamon sticks, cardamom, salt for cooking the rice. Now here some potatoes have been julienne cut and then added cornstarch and mixed everything well. Now heat oil in this pot. Finally process the cabbage, chili and ginger together like this. Heating the oil and then frying these potatoes. By the time the rice is still cooking, 80% the rice needs to be cooked and this water can be discarded after that. Now these potatoes are golden brown. We're going to remove it and then some shredded cabbage needs to be fried until brown like this. Now here we're going to add cumin seeds, chopped mixture of the cabbage, chili and ginger. Now this has to be cooked until golden brown. Now we're going to take 3 cups of homemade sprouted moong. We're going to coat the moong nicely with the spices. From the 3 tomatoes, we'll be taking 1.5 part of it and then adding the spices one by one. And then mixing everything well, adding salt as per taste. Now cooking it on low heat by covering it for 2 minutes. Then adding some more water like around 1/4 cup and then cooking it for 5 minutes. Now adding the rice to it. Adding the rice in batches. And then adding the fried cabbage. Then the fries, the tomatoes, cilantro, then again the moong mixture. Like this, layer it, cover it and cook on low heat until the steam starts showing up, and this will take nearly 10 to 15 minutes. So here the moong biryani is cooked. We'll remove it on a plate, place a tulsi leaf and offer it at the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.